Who will win, the widow wolf or the bedbowl, in the battle? Who a master of survival? Wolves are known for their speed, sharp senses, and powerful bite. Strengths: incredible agility and stamina, sharp teeth with a crushing bite force, strong instincts and hunting skills. Weaknesses: no defense against advanced weapons, relies on physical attacks only, vulnerable to serious injuries. Deadpool, the merc with a mouth, a skilled fighter with one major advantage: he just won't stay down. Strengths: regeneration, healing factor, expert in combat and weapons, unpredictable and mentally chaotic. Weaknesses: overconfidence, can be reckless and distracted, still feels pain despite healing. Scene 2, the battle begins. The wolf strikes first, fast and silent, lunging straight for the throat. Deadpool reacts, barely. The bite lands, but instead of falling, he laughs. Deadpool: wow, you're like a furry ninja. He pulls out his swords. The wolf circles, looking for another opening. It attacks again, faster this time. Deadpool gets slashed, bitten, but keeps getting back up.